So this is a Protec II. Count them. 1, 2. And we're going to pick it. It is locked, so I've performed a DBS bypass already. So that allows me to pick the lock. So the differences between Protec I and II are quite significant. People think there aren't many, but the ones that they have made, well, they've made picking it quite a lot more difficult, and quite a few other techniques. Forgive the crystal maze on in the background. I'm doing this by feel. This isn't the technique I'd use in the field. It's a bit too hit and miss. Yeah, that feels good. I just want to show really that it is possible to hand pick, or using a wheel pick if you like. Protec. Oh, there we go. Click. And our lock is open. So now for the fun bit, where you don't get to see what I'm doing, and everyone moans, you must be doing something. Just because we can't see what's happening, it must be magic. Okay. And now for the second part. Come on. Okay. Let's get this thing gutted. Shut up, TV. Just turn it off. Right. So, you can see it's locked. Here's the actual key. Key does work. Takes longer than picking it, eh? Let's keep it in shot. No, you don't. There is an actual tool for popping the cap off, but screwdriver works. But this poor Protec II of mine has been terribly abused over the time. Right. Make sure both of the return bars are out, because I've had that before, people saying there's only one return bar, there's no side bar or whatever. This is going to be fun to put that together, they always are. Okay, let's get all the bits. And you can have a closer look. So if there's anything you think missing, please do let me know. Otherwise, Protec II picked, booyah!